Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT functional quantifiers. So in the set of the day today, we are going to discuss a very good set on conditional DI. Uh, you can see a lot of data out there which freaks us out normally in the exam scenario. And we often form an opinion that this is not a set we should approach. But like always, some sets are deceptive. So this is one of the good sets, one of the data intensive set, but at the same time, the set is not very difficult in the terms of, comprehending it. So let us just read it and try to solve it. If you're watching it for the first time, please pause the video and try the set. The optimum time to do this set should be around 9 to 10 minutes. Okay. So the charts below give the performance analysis of 12 students from 4 different schools in the recently held inter-school academic trials. Each student had sent at least 2 students for the trials. The schools were from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Coimbatore, Chennai. Net score is not obtained by adding all the marks. Okay, so yeah, so these are some scores, and then there is a net score which is not obtained by adding the score simply. And then there is a performance ratio. No, conditions are for every students from Bangalore, the marks in physics were more than 500, which means Asmit can be from Bangalore, Akanksha can be from Bangalore, this can be Bangalore, this cannot be Bangalore, and so on. And for every student from Coimbatore, the performance ratio was more than 1.6. So this, and so on. So basically, I have to play with the data given in this bar charts, right? And I have to write their prospective cities. They can be from any city, so they can be from multiple. No, they cannot be from multiple cities, but they can qualify the criteria from being from multiple cities. So I should tabulate my data in such a way, or in such a matrix where I have everything in front of me, and I don't have to go back and forth in order to compare it or anything else. Okay, so this is what should be my basic approach. Now, let's see the data. So this is how I have written the data from all the people, and this is how I have comprehended it. Physics, math, chemistry, net score, and performance ratio, and they can be from the cities Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Coimbatore. So let's read the points and let's sort it out. First, for every student from Bangalore, the marks in physics were more than 500. So physics marks, so this can be from Bangalore, from Bangalore, from Bangalore, from Bangalore, Bangalore, Bangalore. So these 6 people can be from Bangalore. Hyderabad, sorry, next is Coimbatore. For every student from Coimbatore, the performance ratio was more than 1.6. So this can be from Coimbatore, this can be from Coimbatore, this can be Coimbatore, Coimbatore. So these 5 people fall in the criteria of Coimbatore. No one else. For every student from Chennai, the marks in chemistry were more than 100. So this is the chemistry. So Chennai ke liye it's more than 100. This, this, and this. These 6 people can be. For every student from Hyderabad, the net score was more than 70. So Hyderabad net score was more than 70. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these 5 people are can be from Hyderabad. Now, as I can see that let's see, for Ananya, there are 3 possibilities, right? For Asahi, there are 2 possibilities. So it's a very good form to tabulate our data where everything will be in front of us, and it would be easier in coming stages to analyze and to negate any possibilities. So this is one of the learning for you guys here. Okay, that how to tabulate the data. It might take your initial 3 to 4 minutes, but once you have done that, your job will become very easy. Now, next, for any 2 students A and B from Coimbatore. So now they are giving me the criteria for Coimbatore, that for any 2 students A and B, if the marks of in the marks in physics of A were more than B, then the marks of maths were also more than B. So marks of physics and marks of math were greater for A and B. Okay, okay, fine. And मार्क्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री ऑफ ए वाज लेस देन बी. सो केमिस्ट्री के जो ए के मार्क्स होंगे वो बी से कम होंगे. ठीक है, यानी फिजिक्स और मैथ में ज्यादा होने चाहिए और केमिस्ट्री में कम होने चाहिए. सो दिस इज द क्राइटेरिया फॉर Coimbatore. These are the variables I have to play out. Okay. Now let us see who are the people from Coimbatore and what are the possibilities. So if I see the Coimbatore, so I have to compare the physics math chemistry score. Coimbatore, 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 Coimbatore. Now, if I also observe one thing, people from Coimbatore, these have two possibilities, this have three, this has two, but this has only one possibility, which means that Aprajit is definitely from Coimbatore, right? Aprajit is definitely from Coimbatore. This is our benchmark for this. Now let's compare the score of physics and math. So if I talk about physics, the physics score is 368 for Aprajit. For Akanksha it is 5.9 more है, 479 ज़्यादा है और chemistry में Aprajit ज़्यादा. So this person can be from Coimbatore. This is a possibility, right? I'll keep it as a tip as of now. If I check about Asmita and Akanksha, Asmita is greater than Akanksha in physics but less than math. So it is not possible for her to be from Coimbatore, because for Coimbatore, physics and math are together greater for an individual, right? So this is also not possible. For Ananya, 782 greater, 622 greater, chemistry lower, perfect. 782 greater, 623 greater, 74 lower, perfect. So this person can be from, Ananya can be from Coimbatore, right? Now, this is definite, this is definite, this is definite. If I talk about RP 210 less, 188 less, this more. So this is the highest for her, so 210 less. So this also qualifies. So RP can also be from Coimbatore. So these four people can be from Coimbatore. Out of these four, one person, that is Rajat, is definitely from Coimbatore, right? Up to now. Now let's see what else we have. See, just since we are here, let's say if Aarti had two possibilities, Hyderabad and Coimbatore, and Aarti's Coimbatore probability was gone, then we would have written it to be in Hyderabad, right? Eliminate kar dete hain usko. So Coimbatore is sorted right now. Next point is Hyderabad. For any two students for Hyderabad, the marks in math of A were less than B. The performance ratio was A of B. So परफॉर्मेंस रेशो ए की ज्यादा होनी चाहिए बी से, और मार्क्स मैथ में ए के कम होने चाहिए बी से, ठीक है? फॉर हैदराबाद स्टूडेंट, who's from Hyderabad, these 5 people are from Hyderabad. मैथ के मार्क्स कम होने चाहिए, और हैदराबाद से पक्का कौन है? अक्षिता is definitely from Hyderabad because Akshita has no other probability. So Akshita is definitely from Hyderabad only. So score of math. These 5 scores I have to compare for math, and math score has to be, okay, if I write the math score in increasing order, the lowest math score is 198, then it is 219, then it is 214, then it is 219, that is 423 and 623. And if I talk about the performance ratio of these people, 1.36 is for 198%, the performance ratio is 1.73. For 214%, the performance ratio is 1.44. For 219%, the performance ratio is 1.48. For 423%, the performance ratio is 1.36. And for 623%, the performance ratio is 1.8. Right? Now the performance ratio should be greater. So ये score तो कम ही होना चाहिए और ये ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. So based upon this, these two persons are disqualified because 1.73 is greater than this, but this is not greater than this. So 1.73 is greater than 1.48 is greater than 1.36. The basic criteria, right? Okay. Now, 1.73 can be from then. So 1.73% can be from Hyderabad. So 1.73% can be from Hyderabad. Okay. Then 1.48% can be from Hyderabad. This can be from Hyderabad. 1.36 can be from Hyderabad. 1.36 can be from Hyderabad. This is definitely Hyderabad. Okay. 1.44 cannot be Hyderabad then. Obviously, 1.44 is not from Hyderabad. So if she is not from Hyderabad, she is definitely from Chennai. Okay, done. 1.36, 1.8% is also not from Hyderabad. This is also not. This is the possibility, right? So Hyderabad is also sorted right now. Let's talk about the criteria of Bangalore now. Bangalore के लिए कहते हैं, for any two students A and B from Bangalore, if the marks of chemistry were more than B केमिस्ट्री के अगर ज़्यादा थे then net score was more than B. So net score भी ज़्यादा होना चाहिए A का B से for Bangalore. And who are the people from Bangalore? These three and these three. 6 people are can be from Bangalore. Out of this, Smith is definitely from Bangalore. Smith is our benchmark in Bangalore because he does not have any other options. So if I talk about the score of chemistry for the students of Bangalore, so मुझे स्कोर कंपेयर करने हैं Bangalore के ये if I put them in increasing order, 74, 38, 74, 92, 110, 124, and 146, right? And then net score A is greater than B. So 38 वाले का net score है हमारे पास 35 and B वाले 74 वाले का net score है हमारे पास 102, 92 वाले का net score है हमारे पास 45, 110 वाले का net score है हमारे पास 48, 124 वाले का net score है हमारे पास 18, 146 वाले का नेट स्कोर है हमारे पास 65. ठीक है, so this should be greater and this should be greater. Now person Asmit 38, this person is definitely from. So if I see in increasing order 146, 124, this is fair. 65, this person is disqualified. 48, 48, this person is disqualified. So these 4 people can be from Bangalore, right? So rest 2 are. So 74 is cancelled out. So 74 was this person cannot be from Bangalore. So he is from Coimbatore only. And this and 124 is negated. 124 is negated. So this person can also not be from Bangalore. So rest everything is sorted. Rest all there are 4 people left from Bangalore area, right? So let's talk about the last criteria now. The last criteria belongs to Chennai. I might also have many eliminations up to this point. Okay. For Chennai, A and B. If the performance ratio of A was less than B, so if performance ratio of A was less than B, then the net score of A was more than B. So net score of A was more than B. Performance ratio है decreasing order में, right? So who are from Chennai? Let's see the possibilities from Chennai. And I will check performance ratio and net score. So these 2 variables: Chennai, 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 and Chennai. So 6 people are from Chennai. So their net score in increasing rate is 18. After 18 it is 48. After 40 it is 55, 65, 85 and 95. Okay. 18, 48, 55, 65, 85 and 95. Right. Now this is the increasing order, right? अब performance ratio लिखते हैं. 18 वाले की performance ratio is 1.62. 48 वाले की performance ratio is 1.4. 5 वाले की performance ratio is 1.45. 65 वाले की performance ratio is 1.33. 85 वाले की performance ratio is 1.44. 95 वाले की performance ratio is 1.4. Out of these people who are definitely from Chennai, so this Ajinkya is definitely from Chennai and Arpana is also definitely 1.44 and 1.45. So this person and this person, these 2 are definitely from Chennai, right? 1.44 Ajinkya and 1.45 Arpana. These 2 are definitely from Chennai. Now keeping them as benchmark, this should be in increasing order and this should be in decreasing order. So this area is sorted. And now for the bottoms, I have to have this. Okay. Now this person is disqualified. 48 is not good, disqualified. So this person is also disqualified. So rest 55, 85, 95. Right, A is greater than B. ये इससे कम होगा और ये इससे ज़्यादा होगा. Oh. This is 1.48. Here this person 1.62. 1. Okay. इसको सॉर्ट किया था यहाँ पे. So इसका स्कोर ज़्यादा है. A score is greater than B. And the net ratio should be less. So disqualifies. This does not qualify because these twos are fixed. Disqualifies. This does not qualify. Right. So this is the okay. So if I take, there are three people who is Asmita. Asmita has an only option Chennai, so 1.62 is definitely from Chennai. Then who else is definitely from Chennai? Ajinkya, that is 1.44 is definitely from Chennai, and this 1.45 is definitely from Chennai. So these three people are from Chennai, and these three people did not meet the criteria. Right, so these three are disqualified. So who are disqualified? 1.4 is disqualified. 1.4 is disqualified. This one is disqualified from Chennai, and 1.33 is disqualified from Chennai, and 1.48 is disqualified from Chennai. So these are the final standings that I have now, right? Okay. So this more or less completes my data points. Okay. Now, if I see the questions, who among the following belongs to Chennai? From Chennai, I see Ajinkya. I just have checked that Ajinkya is from Chennai. This is option B. Which of the following is definitely not from Bangalore? Asmit is definitely from Bangalore. Aditya is from Bangalore. Akanksha is from Bangalore and from Coimbatore also, but okay, not pucha to nahi. Ananya is from Coimbatore, so Ananya is definitely not from Bangalore. If there were 4 students in any school, then that school could have been 4. चार options कहाँ पे हैं? Bangalore के पास हैं, हैदराबाद के पास 3 है, चेन्नई के पास Bangalore and Coimbatore. If all the 4 schools had equal number of students, which means all have 3 in NB, right? Then what is true? If all had 3, these are 3, these are 3, and I have to trade between these two. So, okay. So these are 3 definite. So this cannot be from Coimbatore for the last case, क्योंकि मुझे इसको 3 देने हैं, right? अगर इसको 3 दे दिए हैं तो आरती अगर मेरा हैदराबाद से तो आरती कोयम्बटूर से नहीं हो सकती, right? So if these are 3, then if Coimbatore से ये है तो Coimbatore से ये यहाँ पे नहीं हो सकते. So these are the 3 people of these, and rest are the 3 people of these, right? Then Akanksha is from Bangalore is false. Aditya is from Chennai is false. Akanksha is from Chennai is also false. So none of these will be the required answer. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. If you like the explanation, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.